Good morning, everyone. I hope all of you guys are okay. So we are now in another city, in another country, which is it means another adventure for us. So at the moment, I am in Andorra. So it is a very, very small city or very, very small country in the middle of Europe. So usually this country is a skiing resort. So the whole area is a skiing resort, but obviously it's summer, so there's no snow. So we're gonna see what we can find. So I'm currently staying at that hotel, which is the brick one. I'm not sure if you can see on the camera. So I'm staying in that hotel. It's Cisco de Sans. So I have to check what's the name of the hotel. So it's almost like, well, it is like a log cabin kind of thing, and it's very old. It looks like a very old building, and it's very cozy inside. So let's go explore. So right in front of my hotel is this small park here, which is very quiet at the moment. Yesterday it was kind of busy, and also next to my hotel is the Casa de la Vall, which is that building over there. So we're gonna go over there in a minute, but let me just show you the views over this side. Okay, so this is the view. I know it's not much, but if we go higher, or maybe on the other side by the Casa de Val, you can see a bit more. But at the moment, it's just a lot of roofs. So this building behind me is the Casa de Val. It's Andorra's most historic building, which was built in the 1500s. So originally it was a family mansion, and it became the seat of Andorra's parliament in 1702. And inside you can see traditional council room, the court chambers, and see the cupboard of the seven keys, where important documents were stored. So the exterior features well-preserved stone walls and a beautiful garden, which we saw at the back earlier. So it offers also like the scenic views that I've told you earlier, which we couldn't really see from that side. So let's go have a look. Yeah, let's continue exploring. Okay, so this church behind me is the Iglesia de Saint Steve, a Romanesque church from the 12th century. So it's very impressive. The church is known for its austere yet elegant stone architecture and intricately carved wooden altarpiece. So we can admire original frescoes and peaceful atmosphere inside. So the church is also situated near the Plaza del Poble, a place for panoramic view, which is gonna be that side. So we're gonna be looking at that later, or exploring there later, but let's go inside this church. that was the Church of Saint Steve. It looks amazing from the outside, also amazing inside as well, especially those stained glass windows. I really like the stained glass windows on old churches because it adds color inside of the church and makes it more beautiful. Although there's not a lot of sculptures inside, but with the few sculptures that were inside, it's very intricate. I'm not sure if you can see on the video, but those statues, they're very small, but they're very, very detailed. So I'm surprised that it got preserved like throughout the years. So the other thing that I was telling you about is the Placa del Poble. So it's this side. So it also offers an amazing view of the city. So let's go explore. I just have to show you guys this amazing walkway, this bridge here, like flowers on both sides, and then the amazing view of the church and this mural as well. Looks very, very beautiful. So yeah, let's go have a look at the scenic view of the city. So this is the other scenic view of the city, and also I'm standing on this like glass floor. So if you're afraid of heights, probably not a good thing, but it's very stable. But when I was here yesterday, a lot of people were passing by and I could feel the ground shaking, so probably not for the faint of heart, but it looks amazing. Well, ish, especially if it's covered with snow. I guess it must look amazing, but for now, I mean, it's just city blocks, I guess, or apartments and hotel blocks. What do you guys think? But definitely that bridge from the church going to this park area here, it looks amazing. Right, let's go to our next destination. Okay, so behind me is the Puente de Paris, or Paris Bridge. It is a modern suspension bridge located in the heart of Andorra la Vella, the capital city of Andorra. It spans the Gran Valira River, which is this one, connecting the two key parts of the city. It's right next to a busy, bustling road as well. And the bridge is one of the most recognizable landmarks of Andorra la Vella, known for its distinctive design that blends contemporary architecture with the natural landscape of the Pyrenees, which means like the mountains there. It looks amazing, just connecting these two, like I said, two key parts of the city. But the bridge itself is not very big. So we are now in Park Central, Andorra la Vella's largest green space. The park is ideal for a peaceful break. The park offers beautiful views of the surrounding mountains as well. So there's trails you can do I'm not sure which side yet, but you can do some trails if you want to hike up the mountains. But I don't think I'm gonna be doing that. But there's a small trail that you can do for a top view of the city. But I feel like because my hotel is already like high up, I have like a top view of the city already. But I mean, it's gonna be a different perspective, so we will see depending on how hot it is. So at the moment it is very hot already, but that's why a lot of the people here on the park, they're underneath the shade. Usually people in the UK, they would be sunbathing, but here people are in the shade. So I think that's it. So I spent so much time in the park, I lost track of time. Yeah, so I was thinking of going up to the one of the viewpoints, but I don't think I will be able to do any more hiking today. I've walked so much already. So it's all the way up there. I'm not sure if you can see. All the way up there. So I've done a lot of walking today, so I don't think I can handle any more walking. So I think I'm gonna end this video here. So if you like this video, please don't forget to hit the thumbs up. Follow me on Instagram, which is Cowell_Chan, and on my Facebook page, which is Cowell_Travels. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell button so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos. Once again, thank you for watching and see you on my next video. Bye!